This is the quick release clear headlight guard for the R1200GS and GS Adventure. You can see that the mounting brackets on the side here are laser cut stainless steel. They mount behind the blinkers. They'll work with stock blinkers or OE aftermarket blinkers. The quick release mechanism is really neat because you can actually just pop this headlight guard right off. It makes it really easy to clean the headlight and actually clean the screen itself. And you put it back on and your headlight is fully protected. This headlight guard is also available in a black stainless steel mesh. A lot of people prefer this look. They're both equally effective. They both mount the same way. Very easy to use, very quick to install.